What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today at Glassnode. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum today. What I want to do is go through the pulses here, and then we're going to take a look at the addresses and what's going on with the wallets, the whale wallets, everything like that, so we can really get a behind-the-scenes detail of what's taking place in this market. So we're getting a little bit of a bounce today. Right now we're at 57,588. We are holding that critical trillion on the market cap for Bitcoin. We want to hold that as support. It's going to be important for us. And we're going to dig into this. And also, guys, if you get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know if you want me to keep doing this Glassnode stuff. Let me know what you think in the market. Just put up or down, and we'll continue on with this. All right, so first of all, new addresses for today, we're up 9.708%. You can see 18,884 active addresses. We're down about 4%. If we take a look at the addresses with 10,000 or more, so this is going to be important for our whale watch, Bitcoin whale watch. Okay, so guys, let's see here. So we actually hit 81 wallets when the price of Bitcoin was at $66,000. And what you can see is as price continued to drop a little bit lower and we entered these $50,000 range, you know, $57,000, $58,000, we are now up to about 89 wallets. So right here we've stayed relatively flat. We got up to about 87, 88, 90, and right now we're sitting roughly at about 89. So not a huge sell-off there for the whales. You can see we've been in a little short-term uptrend here, so that's not looking too bad. No major damage there throughout this correction that we've been in. Next, we're going to take a look at 1,000 or more. Really going to zoom in on this. And no problem here as well, guys. We had a little bit of a sell-off. We made it up to 2,165, and that was on November 20th. And now it's November 22nd, we're at 2,161. So no big deal there. Still in a short-term uptrend, which is good. We just want to continue to see that move to the upside. If we take a look at 100 or more, we did get a bounce. So we made it down to 16,046 wallets with 100 or more, and the price was 63,743. Right now we have the price at about $56,000. Right in that range, we're at 16,104. With 10 or more, we've been in a nice uptrend here, so no problem there. Now we are roughly at 147,886 wallets, so we just want to continue to hold this uptrend. Then we'll take a look at 1 or more. 1 or more also looking good, moving back to the upside. We're at 809,000 wallets with 1 or more. So far, guys, I mean, with us dropping as much as we have, you know, 14, 15%, I'll have to measure it, but we haven't lost that many of the big wallets. And in fact, some of them we've even been gaining a little bit. So that's just looking behind the scenes here. That's why I don't want people to panic. We're just going to see if we can get this nice reversal. All right, if we take a look here, number of whales, no problem, 1,889, and that's up about 0.5%. Now, if we take a look at the exchange inflow volume, we're looking at 46%. So we want to watch that. Exchange outflow volume, negative 1.107. Now, if we take a look at Ethereum, so far everything's looking good in the wallets here. Guys, I wouldn't be panicking. Basically, I wouldn't be selling now. I'll tell you that. So, and that's not financial advice. I'm just saying after we've had this big correction, this would not be the time to take profits, in my opinion. Most likely I'd wait till we got a nice little move back to the upside. So 10,000 or more. Really nice uptrend here. I mean, guys, this has just been steady. We've been consolidating sideways for the most part. We're going to see if we can get another move to the upside. Right now, we're at 1,173 wallets with 10,000 or more. So just really moving sideways to that. Down a little bit, but sideways for the most part. If we take a look at 1,000 or more, this really hasn't moved a ton. We did just have a little bit of a sell-off here. We went from 6,336 down to 6,302. So a little bit of a sell-off here, but still nothing too crazy. If we take a look at 100 or more, a little short-term uptrend here, had a little bit of a sell-off. So we do want to watch that, but still, guys, I mean, you can look at this on the bar chart as well. Nothing too crazy here. If we take a look at 10. Okay, so if we go back to our line, we did have a little bit of a sell-off here, and this would have been, we went from 280,000 down to 277,000, and that's with 10 or more. And then 1 or more, that for the most part has just been a nice steady uptrend moving to the upside. You know, guys, when we bounce out to this right now, it's just, there doesn't look like there's too much concern. We're not maxed out on the new addresses or anything like that. So, You know, I'm just being patient here. I want to see if we can get this nice reversal, go back up there, try to challenge $60,000, turn that back into support. But we're just going to have to pay attention. The whales can do anything that they want to do. They can move this market very fast in the matter of 5 seconds. We've seen $1,000 candles, guys, minute candles. So anything can happen. But if you get something from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you ever want to help this channel out. We've got some addresses in the description. It's always appreciated. Take care, my friends.